The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse isn't just another Mustang. It's a statement. It represents the most performance-focused, track-ready version of the 7th-generation Mustang lineup. When Ford introduced the Dark Horse name, it set the tone. This isn't for the faint of heart. It's a car designed for those who crave power, precision, and a raw connection to the road. At the heart of the Dark Horse is a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine. But this isn't your standard V8. It's been specially tuned to deliver 500 horsepower, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in Mustang history. Paired with either a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission for purists, or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts, this Mustang gives drivers the freedom to choose their experience: raw mechanical control or refined speed. Performance upgrades are everywhere. The Dark Horse features forged connecting rods, stronger components, and track-oriented cooling systems to handle intense driving sessions. Add to that Magnarite adaptive dampers, thicker anti-roll bars, and an upgraded steering system, and you have a car that feels just as comfortable carving corners as it does sprinting down a straightaway. On the outside, the design speaks the language of performance. Its sinister front fascia, unique grille openings, and aggressive hood vents aren't just for looks, they enhance airflow and cooling. The Dark Horse exclusive blue ember metallic paint, combined with special badging, makes it stand out from the rest of the herd. And those wheels? 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in performance tires that grip the asphalt like claws. Inside, the cockpit is all about the driver. You'll find Recaro sport seats, suede inserts, and a flat-bottom steering wheel with contrast stitching. The digital instrument cluster and Sync 4 infotainment system keep the technology up to date, but the car never loses its muscle car soul. Everything feels tight, focused, and ready for action. And for those who take things to the track, the Dark Horse handling package steps things up even further. Wider wheels, stickier tires, stiffer springs, and more aggressive aerodynamics transform the car into a track weapon while keeping it street legal. What makes the Dark Horse truly special is that it's the last of its kind. A naturally aspirated, high-performance V8 muscle car in an era moving rapidly toward electrification. It's Ford doubling down on the essence of the Mustang: power, sound, and freedom. When you fire up that engine, you're not just starting a car, you're starting a legacy that's been roaring since 1964. The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is more than a car. It's an experience, a celebration of performance, and a promise that some legends never fade, they only get faster.